Sing it again.
Who is it? Wait.
Is it trick or treat?
May I help you?
Trick or treat.
Trick. No.
Now do my thing.
No. Campbell, look here.
Hey, Mom.
Happy Halloween.
Oh.
Get out.
Put the other leg over. There you go.
There you go. That's a cowgirl and a cowboy. She has some ears.
I think it doesn't matter now.
There you go, Kelly.
I think we've cleaned
That
this
was
up.
sweet. Yay!
Yeah.
Well, I just mean like